Silence is the way that you are going to sound better in your podcast. How do I mean that? You're going to have a tough time sounding good if you're in a noisy room. The TV needs to be off. Fans need to be off. Air conditioners need to be off if you can. Silence your cell phone notifications. I don't know how many podcasts I have watched where people are talking away and all of a sudden you see them like look down at their phone like, uh-oh. Yes, do those things all ahead of time. Find a quiet place, be it in your office, be it in your home, wherever it is, find the quietest place you can.